In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow an app through Firewall on Windows 11. If an app you trust can't connect to the internet or certain features aren't working, Windows Firewall may be blocking it. I'll walk you through the exact path to safely allow that app. We're going to stay entirely within Windows security, so you keep control over what's permitted. Start by opening Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. In this section, click Windows Security, and then select Open Windows Security to launch the built-in security dashboard. On the left, choose Firewall and Network Protection. This is where Windows manages what traffic is allowed on your device. Now click Allow an app through Firewall. You'll see a list of apps that already have permissions. To make changes, click Change Settings at the top. If you're prompted for permission, confirm so you can edit the list. You need administrative rights to do this. If your app is already listed, you can simply check the boxes next to it. But if it's not there, click Allow another app. In the small window that appears, click Browse and navigate to the app's main executable file, typically the .exe in its installation folder. Select the app and add it to the list. Once it appears in the list, enable both private and public for that app, as required here. Private applies to trusted networks like your home or work Wi-Fi. Public applies to places like cafes, airports, or hotels. Enabling both ensures the app works no matter where you connect. Keep in mind that allowing an app on public networks can increase exposure, so only do this for software you fully trust and actually need to use on the go. When you're done, click OK to save changes. That's it. The firewall now allows the app to communicate as specified. If the app was being blocked, its online features should start working the next time you use it. A couple of quick pointers before we wrap up. If you added the app but still don't see any change, double-check that you selected the correct executable, especially if the app has multiple launchers or helper processes. Also, if your organization manages your device, some options might be restricted by policy, and you may need to contact your admin. You've just learned the precise, secure way to allow an app through the Windows 11 firewall. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, be sure to apply the same steps for any other trusted apps you need to unblock.